everyone, start off by making a ponytail at the bottom of your head. Make sure that the ponytail is well put. Using any sort of U-pin or a clip, you may attach a rubber band to it and pull the ponytail through to make a twist in the hairstyle. Once you are done with this, add a rubber band to the bottom of your hair, slightly puff out the hair, and then rotate it backwards and insert it into the head, or rather the bottom of your hair. You may attach it or strengthen the foundation using a brooch or a beret as such. For our next hairstyle, start off by putting a very high ponytail. Now section out the ponytail into two parts, that is one on top and one on the bottom. After you have done this, divide the top hair into two parts and then insert the other part of hair into this. Repeat this process until you reach the bottom and you form a sort of braid. It should look a little something like this. Once you are done, attach a rubber band at the bottom and then accessorize with many clips all over your hair. The more the clips, the merrier, and so we have used one on each level of the braid, as well as the portion where the braid has been tied up. For our next hairdo, section out the upper portion of the hair into 3 bits and then make a braid out of it. Make sure that the braid is strong and tight, and then once you reach the bottom of the hair, add a rubber band to it. Once you add your rubber band, rotate this braid in order to make the shape of a bun. Then you may use a hair stick to fasten it in its place. Now take the lower portion of the hair and make 2 sections out of it. Comb one of the sections, that is start off with the right side bottom and then put it on top and then circle it around the bun that you have made. Before circling it, however, make sure that you twist it in order to give it more aesthetic appeal. Using a bobby pin, you may insert it in its place and keep it there. Repeat the same on the other side. Start off by combing it and then slowly twist it and then rotate it over the already present bun. Once again, you may fasten it in its place by adding a bobby pin. And there you have it, a very princessy looking bun. For our next hairdo, start off by taking a hair stick and then twist the entire volume of the hair around this hair stick as many times as you can. Once you twist it, make it vertical and then take it to the side and then keep it in place with the hair stick. Thank you for watching.